Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by loading the video and transcript into your subtitle tool so you can work immediately. Once the file is loaded, make sure the frame rate and language are set correctly. This prevents sync drift later. Start playback and set an initial timing point for the first spoken sentence, then create the first subtitle entry. You want short, readable lines. Aim for 1 to 2 lines per subtitle, and no more than 42 characters per line to keep viewers reading comfortably. Once you have starter timings, refine them by listening closely and watching the waveform. Move start and end markers so subtitles appear with speech and disappear when silence begins. Make sure each subtitle stays on screen long enough for average reading speed. Adjust to 1/2 second per short word groups and longer for denser lines. While refining, correct transcription errors, add punctuation, and label speakers when helpful. You'll repeat this until dialogue, music cues, and on-screen actions all align. You finish by playing the entire video with subtitles enabled to confirm timing and readability. Fix any overlaps or missing lines you spot. Then export to the format your platform requires and test in the actual player environment because players interpret timing slightly differently. If subtitles are off, make sure the exported file used the correct frame rate and timecode base. If necessary, shift all timings by a consistent offset or reprocess the video to match. One key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.